Today I'm going to be changing a display, so come along with me. So now we've removed the bath panel and the old furniture, it's time to replace the bath panel and add our new fitted furniture range. So now I'm just going to pop the bath panel into place. So now I'm going to measure out this area to make sure we've got enough space for our 500 unit, our 200 unit and our 300 unit. Safety first. So now I'm going to cut the end panels. So now that we've cut the end panels, it's time to put the units in place. So I'm going to start with our 300 unit. I'm going to pop this up against this end panel that we've already got on here. Our second unit, we've got the 200 open unit. And we've got our 500 main sink vanity unit. Then for our last unit, we have another 200. And to finish it all off, we've got our end panel for this side. So now that we've got these up, we need to secure them all in place. So I've fastened all the units together. We've just got two more that we need to secure. So now that we've secured the whole unit back to the wall, we need to mark, measure and cut the worktops. I've got my width, the measurements for both sides, ready to cut the worktop. I'm just going to place my track on here, line it up. So I've attached the doors and the handles on part of the unit already, but I'm going to show you how we can attach the handles to these doors. So I'm just going to start by, I've already marked it up so I know where I need to go in. So I've got the handle and the screw. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to open the door wide enough for me to just sit the handle on there. And I'll push the screw through this end. There we go. So now that I've cut the worktops to size, I'm going to secure them in place on top of the unit. So just put them in, put it back, and then put my screws to go in. So now I'm just adding the last piece of the worktop on. And once I've got this secured, then it's time to silicone up with some of the best sanitary grade silicone that you can come and get from us at NXT Hardware and Bathrooms. So now we've completed our new display. We've got our unit and our bath panel both on display here in our showroom. NXT Hardware, Unit 2, 110 Whitby Street South in Hartlepool. Come down and have a look. Follow us for more updates. I'm going to be doing a more in-depth review of this unit and the bath panel so that you can know all of the sizes and measurements to see if it would fit in your bathroom. Or just give us a follow because we'll be doing more things like this. In the background now, we've got another one going on, so follow us for more.